Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 38,533 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the fuel tank, paint flaking on the mirror, and corrosion around the plate mount holes. This bike has one key and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, a keyless ignition, and navigation. It's been upgraded with highway pegs, LED front turn signals, rear tour pack integrated signals, a tinted windshield, and aftermarket mufflers. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trade. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.